Hello world, how are you doing this fine day? The sun is scorching outside, but it's nice and cool in here. But I'm about to scorch it up on the grill. Today, what you see before you, of course, is aluminum foil. I'm going to use this to make some grilled fish. Salmon, that is. First thing you want to do, you don't want the fish to stick to the aluminum foil. So I got a little bit of canola oil spray. Comes in handy. Spray just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, and just a little bit. Blammo! After you put down the canola, as you can see, I have four pieces of salmon that I'm gonna throw on the grill. I'm gonna put down a little bit of seasoning. Starting off, have a little garlic pepper seasoning. So I just sprinkle just a tad bit, bottom layer, just to get it going. Here, give it that little taste, that little Everything's fine with garlic. Then next, have a little lemon pepper. The lemon brings out the extra zing in everything you make. I can smell it now. It's gonna bite my buds, taste buds that is. Next, it may seem a little weird, but I experiment. I'm gonna use some McCormick's Grill Mates Montreal seasoning. A little bit down there. Make my fish exotic. Last but not least, a little bit of Italian seasoning, that is. And I'm a country guy, so what am I missing? Butter. Well, second thought, everybody's health conscious, so maybe I skip the butter, but if you want to use it, you can use butter, margarine, or substitute. Put a little bit down, have a canola, so I'm going to be good. But all cooking is not complete without something cold to drink. In my spare time, I like my MGD, Miller Genuine Draft. Makes cooking better. So then I'm going to go over here, I'm going to get my pieces of fish. I place them ever so nicely. Here's my fishy. And as you can see, I put the skin down, the meat up. We're going to cover it all up, going to season it again, going to wrap it up. It's good to go. As you can see, I got my gloves on. I like to keep my hands a little clean. But since I have the fish up there, I don't have to get the fish smell on my fingernails, I can get rid of the gloves. I'm going to season the meat. I can hear the grill right now. Look at that. Bam! A little bit of Italian. A little bit of garlic. And of course, bam! Lemon pepper. Can you smell what I'm cooking? Hold on just a second. All of this won't be complete without a special kiss from a lemon. Even though I have the lemon seasonings, nothing like the lemon juice. So I put just a little taste. You want to keep it moist. Bring out that extra zing. It's gonna be lovely. So there you have it. That's my quick lowdown run of how I make my salmon, PK style. Next time, hold it down, be easy. Out.